So, hi everyone, I'm just at the air raid shelter. It's an attraction in Stockport and I've come on my own. So hopefully it won't be too scary. So, I'll see you in a second.
We've been told that there's these explosive bombs that'll blow up a whole street.
So I'm actually in an air raid shelter and I'm absolutely shitting myself on my own. It's pitch black, there's a few little lights. But yeah, oh my god, what am I doing? So I go around and I press this buttons on this thing and it will talk to me. But yeah, I'm in an air raid shelter and I'm going to be walking around the dark tunnels, so see you in a second. Oh my god, what am I doing? I want to get out. Oh my god. Please don't be dark, please. Oh, it's alright. It's not dark.
The Stockport air raid shelters are now open and ready to receive you. Take care when using the tunnels.
Oh my god.
Uneven footing, low-level lighting, and keep to the center of the tunnels.
Please leave the lights on. What am I doing in here?
When you're inside, follow the emergency exit signs, which are clearly marked. In order to navigate through the tunnels, directional signs will guide you.
Oh my god, I don't want to be in here on my own.
Addressing Boy Scouts. Press B for a reporter writing about the council's call for volunteers. Or C for Mr. Gardner, borough engineer, discussing the design of the tunnels. Otherwise, continue the tour.
Oh my god, what am I doing? Play.
Us wardens have been accepted because we are deemed to be responsible, dependable, and respected members of our communities. Qualities you will need to live up to.
Oh my
We have a
god.
general duty to aid and advise your neighbours, to supplement the resources of the police, the fire brigade, and other local air raid precaution services.
This is quite good actually.
To shepherd members of the public to shelter when an air raid warning sounds, and assisting with casualties or damage after rocks and falling. Most importantly, you will need to remain a steadfast example, thereby reducing the risk of panic or loss of morale. Press A to hear Mr. Page talking about volunteering and warden training. Press B.
I was appointed a junior warden on the 1st of October 1940, so it was just a nice time for the Manchester Blitz, wasn't it? Well, you volunteer, yes, they ask you, if you want to join. You join something, either you join the Home Guard or you join the Public Service or the Fire Service.
I'm gonna sit down for a bit
Everybody who was fit,
because it's a bit
unless they were just too nervous to get involved.
weird.
Because their friends were there as well, they joined with it.
Press A to hear Mr. Page talking about volunteering and warden training.
I'm not even listening to what you're saying. I'm just using this so that I can hear someone's voice in here with me. Oh no, I just want to get out now.
Join the Home Guard, or you join that service, or the Fire Service, and villages and stuff. And everybody who was fit, unless they were just too nervous to get involved, they joined something mainly because their friends were there as well. They joined in with it.
It's quite interesting.
When I was appointed a junior warden on the 1st of October 1940, so that was just a nice time for the Manchester Blitz, wasn't it? All your
I'm not even going to go in there.
You joined something, as you joined the Home Guard, or you joined that service, or the fire watching service, or whatever it is that's going. And everybody who was fit, unless they were just too nervous to get involved.
I need Jonathan to come and experience this with me.
When I was appointed a junior warden on the 1st of October 1940, so that was just a nice time for the Manchester Blitz, wasn't it? Well, you volunteer, yes, they ask you, if you want to join. You joined something, as you
Hey look, there's a toilet.
service, or the fire watching service, or whatever it is that's going. And everybody who was fit, unless they were just too nervous to get involved, they joined something, mainly because their friends were there as well.
Underground toilets.
When I was appointed a junior warden on the 1st of October 1940, so it was just a nice time for the Manchester Blitz, wasn't it? Well, you volunteer, yes, they ask you,
I don't even know where I'm going.
join something, as you joined the Home Guard, or you joined that service, or the fire watching service, or whatever it is.
This was a first aid hospital.
Unless they were
I'm not going to go in there on my own when I come back here.
because their friends were there as well.
I want to go back with someone else.
Press A to hear Mr.
When I was appointed a junior warden on the 1st of October
Ouch,
1940,
on my head.
nice time for the Manchester Blitz, wasn't it? Well, you volunteer, yes, they ask you, if you want to join. You joined something, as you joined the Home Guard.
So, currently I'm in air raid shelters. And it's really, really strange. I've never ever experienced this in my life, but oh god, it's really, really spooky and scary on my own. I've never ever done anything like this in my whole life. My heart's beating really, really fast. I don't know what this is doing, but I want this to talk. I've got this thing which talks.
Stockport Express, 1940. 10 points for the emergency meeting. The Stockport Express
It's interesting actually, just
provide hot drinks for shelter
really, really, really scary alone.
for the shelters. Concerns
I'm not even listening to this, I'm just letting it play.
of the practice of serving cold water to children during the night. Many of the youngsters excited and overtired get very thirsty and run for a drink every few minutes. No facilities are provided for heating
Look, old toilets.
feel that during winter months, cold water will result in severe chills if nothing worse. Many parents have brought tea, sugar and milk with them, but owing to the lack of
It's actually good.
children are denied the comfort of a warm drink.
Right, welcome, my dear, to the glamorous world of the Women's Voluntary Service. This little broom cupboard is rather grandly known as the canteen. Hope you're wearing comfortable shoes and have a strong arm. On a busy night, pouring out is non-stop in here. Most nights you can't get through that lot with a teaspoon, much less a
I
tea
don't even
trolley.
know my way
More
out.
often than not, everything will be bursting in. Now we can provide hot water to people who brought their own tea or meat cubes, or for hot water bottles.
Press A about the canteen. B for conversation tool.
Oh my god, this is weird. But I'm hoping I'm near the exit. I want to get out now, I don't like this. That's inside an air raid shelter. This is where they would have sat when they had gas masks on. My heart is beating so fast. I'm going to sit in this area shelter for a little bit. So I'll see you in a second. This would have been the women's toilets in the air raid shelters. Really, really weird. Imagine all sitting together like that. They had a sink as well.
Simply make up as directed, and you will have egg every bit as nourishing. Just keep in a cool, dry place away from light. No need to refrigerate. To get your free dried egg recipe leaflet, send a postcard to the Ministry of Food, Food Advice Service, London, W1. Press A for more about the canteen.
So, I've just been to the Stockport air raid shelters. Oh my god, it's so spooky on my own.
Not everything will be best in here. Now we can provide hot water to people who brought their own tea or meat cubes or for hot water bottles.
This thing is still talking. I think I've been really brave actually. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my day. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone. Bye.